Hello everyone, this is part 5 of Unit 9 UGC NET JRF Forensic Science. In this part we will discuss about handwriting. So first we'll discuss about what is document. So a document must contain linguistic or numerical marking, sign or symbols, anything that are put by handwriting, typewriting, copying, computer printing, etc. And handwriting is a result of line motor task, perceptual motor task, and neuromuscular motor task. So along with the muscle movement, the conceptual thinking or the brain part is also involved. So there are 4 stages of development of handwriting. The first is the learning stage, that is from class 1 to class 4, in which we do scribbling, copying of simple geometric shapes, handwriting, reading. It is also known as staff or penmanship writing. We write in the copybook form. Next is impressionable or adolescent stage. In this stage, we start imitating others' handwritings, as in teenage. The next stage is mature stage or stable handwriting of youngsters, you can say. Degenerative stages of old people. So why handwriting is analyzed? So handwriting is a master pattern of a writer. It is unique and it possesses natural variation. What is natural variation? Even a name written by the same person, there is slight variation in it. So anything, a writer cannot copy in exact manner of his own handwriting. So there would be slight variation. The pattern would be the same, but there is variation known as natural variation. The database of handwriting is FISH or Forensic Information System for Handwriting. TAPPI is Technical Association of Pulp and Paper Industry. So what are the components of handwriting which makes a person's handwriting unique? So these are the writing movement, writing skills, line quality, slant, speed, spacing, size and proportion, style of writing, pen pressure, pen positioning, quality of strokes, shading, alignment, arrangement, formation, etc. The movements involved in handwriting are finger movement, wrist movement, forearm movement, whole arm movement, and their various combination. Whole arm movement is basically seen when someone writes on the blackboard. The people whose finger movement is more and wrist and forearm movement is less. So in that case, uh, the size of writing would be small, there would be frequent pen lifts, and the speed of the writer would be slow. Ambidextrous is the one who writes with both the hands. Blind loop is the loop formation completely filled with ink. Characteristics of handwriting. So it is an acquired habit or skill. We learn it. Locomotory habit, neuromuscular task, complex perceptual motor task, muscular response to mental monitions, uh, unconscious and reflex action of mind, complex biological interlinking of intrinsic and extrinsic factors of the writer. Graphology is the study of handwriting. Minuscule is the small or lowercase forms of Roman script letters. The class characteristics of handwriting are the various class characteristics of handwriting are placement of text, interlinear spacing, which can be supralinear, infralinear, or linear. Writing pressure, location of signature, indent, hand lettering, speed of handwriting, manuscript or legibility, beginning and ending strokes, uniformity of margin, writing grasp, uh, how you hold your writing instrument, or you can say example pen. So it may be closed fist, triangular, quadruped, alignment, line characteristics, connecting strokes, pen lift, slant, spacing, date and time on objects. The most common ones are movement, ratio and proportionality, which is of line quality, form of writing, pen presentation, connectives, pen pressure, alignment, terminal and initial strokes, retrace, tremor, skill, speed, size, spacing, slant, shape and shading. 7S. About alignment, how the writing is placed. If it is upward, so it is ascending alignment. If it is downwards, or it is descending alignment. So this is the ascending alignment, rising upward. This is the descending alignment, rising downwards. So it is downwards, and this is the straight alignment. It is also known as even alignment. When the writing is a mixture of both ascending and descending alignment, it is known as irregular alignment pattern. And when the alignment line of alignment is like an arc, it is known as arc alignment. And when the letters are positioned to form a trough-like formation like this, so this type of alignment is known as garland alignment. The individual characteristics of handwriting, idiosyncratic features or the individual features, embellishments, the twist, the flourishness, quakes, etc. Diacritics, I dot, T crossing, hook, curved or angular projection, mostly found at initial and terminal strokes, crossbar, the stroke that intersects the main portion of the letter, hiatus, a pause or a gap, spur is a short initial or terminal stroke. Tremor are defined as the departure in the line. The quality of line, it can be natural tremors due to old age or weakness of muscles due to diseases, or artificial tremor. Artificial tremor are a proof of forgery in which the tremor do not show uniformity. Some of the strokes are strong, others are weak, etc. The master pattern is the individual characteristics of handwriting, pen emphasis, forcing the pen against the paper. Shading, widening of pen stroke due to added pressure on flexible nib pen. Principles of identification of handwriting. The handwriting of every individual is unique, it is personal, and there is natural variation. Writing also depends on the psychological condition of the writer, along with the writing instrument or the writing surface or the muscles of the hand. Handwriting is controlled by the brain. The signals were sent by the nervous system through hand. So even if the writing surface is changed, the writing instrument is changed, there is some or lot of similarity in the writing written by the same person. And there are changes in writing of the same person, gradual changes throughout the life. Disguise is always superficial and it leads to inferior quality of writing. Other factors influencing handwriting are pen pressure, shading, pen position, speed, slant, size, Parkinsonism. Now, what handwriting indicates? If a writing portray heavy pen pressure, blunt start, blunt terminal and pen lifts, it indicates slow speed of the writer. Well-defined rhythmic strokes and tapering terminals indicate fast speed of the writer. The presence of tremors, retouching, patching and pen pauses are in case of slow speed or forgery. The handwriting written with connective stroke is known as cursive handwriting. Anonymous and disguised writings. without a name or forged writings. So methods of disguise are capital letters. A person will write the whole message in the capital letters. Script or print form. Simple letter form will be used. Change of slant, change of size, use of grotesque or odd letter formation. Writing with the opposite hand. If you are a right hand person, you will write with the left hand. Using a different writing instrument. Pretending to be illiterate by causing spelling mistakes or grammar errors. I dot added or omitted, T cross altered, the diacritic characteristics are altered. Sometimes text is cut out of newspapers and pasted into a message. The guided handwriting or the assisted handwriting, in which you can change the form in which you originally write. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, stay tuned to my YouTube channel Vidhi Vigyan. Thank you.